Good morning, African Stars International School learners. I am Teacher Taina, your grade 6 English teacher. Welcome to your first English e-learning lesson. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about homonyms. Homonyms are words that are spelled or written or pronounced in an identical way, but they have different meanings and functions. For example, we have the word palm. The palm for the hand and the palm for the tree, the palm tree. These words mean different things, but they are written the same. And here we have the word to for direction. I am going to school, and to representing a number. These words sound the same, but they mean different things and they are not written the same as well. We are going to learn about two types of homonyms, which are homophones and homographs. Homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings. So with homophones, we have to look at the sound, same sound. For example, sole and soul. The first soul is for the shoe soul, and the second soul is for the spirit. The word bed and bed. This first bed is when something is not good, it's bed. And the second one, the bed that you sleep on. The word sea and sea. The first sea is for the ocean, while the second sea is for looking. Alright, how about homographs? Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. So for homographs, same writing, the way we write words. So for example, look at these two words, watch, watch. The first watch is the one used for telling the time, while the second watch is when you are telling somebody to look at something. Watch there. Okay, now there are some examples of how we are going to apply using these homonyms. Teachers should always try to be fair. There was plenty to buy at the fair. You can see that the first fair here and the second, they are written the same but they mean different things. The first fair is a place where people, the first fair is for treatment, when you treat people equally. And the second fair is for the place where people go for trading. Okay, let's look at this example that follows. The object lay on the table. I object to your behavior. Now this object refers to a thing, something. And now this second object, I object to your behavior, means that I refuse to the way you are behaving. I'm not agreeing with the way you are behaving. Okay, the last example. I'm going to see if I can help him. We are going to the sea tomorrow. See, the first say I'm going to see if I can help him is different from the second sea, which refers to the ocean. For our classwork, we are going to do our classwork on page 30 from our learner's book, activity number 10, number 1, A to E. Complete these sentences. Choose the correct word. You are going to complete these sentences by choosing the correct word in brackets. You only have to choose one, which is appropriate to use in that sentence. Remember, homophones, same sound, and homographs, same writing. So, C and C. C for the ocean and C to look at something. Palm, palm for the tree, palm for the hands. These palms are written the same and they don't mean the same thing. One is a palm for the hand, the other one is a pear from a palm tree. While this C and the second C, they are homophones. They are not written the same, but the way you pronounce them is the same. Okay, we've come to the end of today's lesson. Answers to the classwork will be provided in our next lesson. Remember to keep safe. Wash your hands and avoid crowded places in order to fight COVID-19. Thank you.